My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a studio tour to show you some of the things on our TV studio shelf. And today, I'm going to show you this ancient vase. You say, what in the world is that? Well, first of all, look at the amazing condition that it is in. But why is it on my shelf in my TV studio? Because this is not just any vase. This is a vase that dates to the time of Abraham. It really dates to his very period. That's how old this amazing vase is, and the condition of it is just remarkable. It probably held olive oil back in those days, but this dates to the period of Abraham. And when I look at this vase, do you know what I think about? I think of the reliability of the Bible. When the Bible tells us in Genesis chapter 12 that God called a man named Abraham, that is not a fairy tale. It was just as real as this vase, which was dug out of the earth and dates to the very time of Abraham. My friend, the Bible is real. What the Bible tells us is true. Even archaeology confirms what we read in the Bible. And the reason this vase is on my shelf, it's my reminder that every single thing in the Bible can be reinforced and supported by science, by archaeology, and by history. And that's why this ancient vase is on my shelf.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.